Hello, it's me again. So on second thought, I would like to give you two more demonstrations. Now please look at this figure. We have a right angle triangle and one more right angle triangle. So they are sticking to each other. We have to find x and y. So let's look at x. We have x here and then we have y there. So in order to find x, you need to use a right angle triangle. So will you use this one, ABC, or this one, ACD? Is it a good choice, ACD? No, it's not a good choice because instead of x, we have y. So there are two unknowns. So we know that there's no hope. We should not using this triangle. We should using this one instead. We should use triangle ABC because in this triangle we've got only one variable x and the other two, they are just numbers. So let's use Pythagoras theorem to write down the equation. Now first of all, the first question is, which one is the hypotenuse? 15, 20, or x? Yes, it should be x because x is oppositing to the right angle. But 15 is touching the right angle. They are next to each other. And 20 is also next to the right angle. So only x is not touching the right angle. So x is the hypotenuse. So you should start from x. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the legs square. So 28 square and 15 square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. And then let's continue. So what is 20 square? 20, and there's a button here. This is the square button. So 20 square is 400. And then 15 square, what is that? 15, the square button, we have 225. That means that x squared equals to 400 plus 225. 225 plus 400, 400 plus 225, what is that? 625. So that we have x squared equals to 625. Okay, now we have to do one more thing so that we could tell what is x. So what to do with the square? Bring this to the other side. Bring the square to the other side so that we don't have the square here anymore. X equals to square root of 625. No, calculator. Square root here, this button. Square root of 625. 25, nice. We have 25. That means x equals to 25. Okay? So we find x already. Now we have to find y. So since we know x already, we don't need the x here anymore. Let's replace it by 25. Okay? And now we should now think of y. How to find y? This time we should use the yellow triangle. This one. So for this triangle, we have 25, we have 24, and we have y. So which one to start first? 24, 25, or y? Which one? Which one is the hypotenuse? Right angle is here. Which one is oppositing to the right angle? Yes, it should be 25. So that you should start with 25 square. 25 square equals to the sum of 24 square and y square. Hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the legs square. Okay? Now 25 square. 25 square. What is that? 625. And then 24 square. 2, 4, and then square. 5, 6, 5, 7, 6 equals plus y square. All right? So we have a number here and we also have a number there. What should we do with them? Yes, bring them together, combine them. We should move the 5, 7, 6 from the left hand side to the right hand side so that it becomes negative 5, 7, 6. And then 625 minus 576. 625 minus 576 become 49. So that we have 49 equals to y squared. Alright? So there should be one more step. What to do with the square? We want to know what is y. How to get rid of the square? Bring the square to the other side. It becomes a square root. So that we have y equals to square root of 49. Square root of 49, which is 7. So nice. That means y equals to 7. Y equals to 7. And then we're done. So these are the values of x and y. Okay? Now let's do one more. Please look at question number 4. We have to find x and y. So we see that we have x here and y there. Let's follow the sequence, find x first. So will you use the yellow triangle or the red triangle? Which one? You want to find x, okay? If you use the red triangle, we have x, we have y, we have 29. They are two unknowns, so it's not good. You should look using the yellow triangle, the yellow one. Because for this triangle, you have x, you have 48 and 52. These two are just numbers. We have only one variable, so that we could do the math. And now, therefore, look at the yellow triangle. 52, 48, and x. So which one is the hypotenuse? Yes, 52 is the hypotenuse. So put it down, 52 square equals to the sum of 48 square and x square. Alright? So let the calculator do the job. 52 square, 2704, and 48 square, 2304, plus x squared. Now please look at this line. What should we do next? We've got a number and also a number. We should bring them together, combine them. So 2304 positive, when you bring to the other side, when you bring it to the left hand side, it becomes negative 2304. And therefore, we have 2704 minus 2304. Oh, nice, which is 400. 400 equals to x squared. So that means x equal to what? X equal to square root of 400. So let's find square root of 400. Nice, 20. Okay. Oh, x is equal to 20. Do we need the x here anymore? No, we don't need the x. You could cross it out and put it down 20. Because we know that x is 20. And then now let's look at y. What could you do to find y? Again, Pythagoras theorem. So we have y, we have 20 and 29. Which one is the hypotenuse? 20, y, or 29? We have the right angle here. So 29 is opposite to the right angle. You should start from 29. 29 square equals to what? 20 square plus y squared. Okay? And then let's use the calculator to find 29 squared. 29 squared is 841. And 20 squared is 400 plus y squared. Alright? Are you able to continue? What to do with the numbers? Bring the 400 to the left hand side, becomes negative 400. Right? So 841 minus 400, 441 equals to y squared. Right? Then it means that y equals to square root of 441. Square root 441 is 21, so that we have y equals to 21, and then we could stop here. Okay, so that x is 20 and y is 21. Is it more clear now? So it's your turn. Please do worksheet number 4. See you next time. Bye bye.